Today's conversation is going to be so good and so refreshing if you're wanting real talk around what it takes to hit $100,000 in less than a year. Now, it's really important that I say this right up front, and with everything that I do, you'll find this someplace. But my information and everything that I offer, it's for informational and educational purposes only. What you decide to do with the information is 100% up to you. And if you want to get like results for yourself, you got to decide to put in the work. I will always share my real experiences, what I've actually done in my own business, right? So that you can have a reference of what it takes to get results for yourself. But it's really important that you know you always have to do the work. All right, so let's just dive right into it because I so badly want to help you make this real for yourself. All right, so let's talk about the three things. And yes, there were only three things that really contributed to me hitting $108,000 right in that first year. Was number one, the decision, or a lot of people like to say the mindset. This was the first year that I ever vocalized or wrote down or set a goal or intention around hitting $100,000 for the year. Right. And it's funny because a lot of people say that until you write your goals down, right, they don't become real or you don't take it seriously. I had never desired to hit $100,000 in my business prior to that year. Right. I always knew that I wanted to make a lot of money. I wanted to replace my nursing income. I wanted the money. Right. And I was making really, really good money. But for whatever reason that year, I said, you know what? I have all the moving parts. I know I have what it takes. And for whatever reason, I just decided to lock in on $100,000. So I can tell you right now, that decision was everything. So for me, and it reminded me of when I first got started in my business, right? When I came online, one of the very first things I told myself is that I was making this my new way of life. So I never tried, I never attempted, I never dipped my toe in the water. I came into this thing to win. I didn't come online to try anything out. There were no stipulations. I knew for a fact that at some point this would become my new way of life, and then I would be able to walk away from my nursing job and be able to earn all of my income online. So when I think about the first year that I hit, right, six figures, it's no wonder because I went into that year with a made up mind. There was no plan B. I wasn't trying to make $100,000 that year. I wasn't hoping I'd make $100,000 that year, right? And I wasn't just relying upon praying about making $100,000 that year. I was decided upon it and I put a plan in place to make it so. And this is where a lot of people go wrong. When it came to my plan was crazy simple. It involved two moving parts, which are the other two parts, right, of this video. Is number one, I had one income stream. I was locked in on one thing that I was focused on selling. And one of the big reasons I locked in on $100,000 and knew that it was possible is because the math. What I was selling allowed me to earn $1,000 every single time I made a sale or every single time I activated a new buyer in my business. And so I knew to earn $100,000, it was only going to take 100 customers. That seemed hecka doable in 12 months. So the math. And on top of that, I was really, really passionate, straight up in love with what it was that I was selling. I knew that it could help me hit my own money goals. And I knew that there were other people out there that were going to be so excited over the opportunity as well. So I was so fired up to get it out there and to start talking to people about it. And I think that's a really, really strong component when you're talking about starting to earn an income online, whether you're deciding to sell something or whether you're deciding to participate in something, or whether you're deciding to trade a service for making money, or whether you're deciding to, do gig work to start making money online. And I'll talk about some options towards the end of this video. But I think it's really, really important to actually enjoy what it is that you are a part of, because you're the one that has to show up every single day to get the income flowing and that chosen income stream. So for me, it was just one single income stream that I focused on selling every single day. And that moves me to the second part of the plan, which was one daily focus. And that daily focus was not to rack up a bunch of views. It wasn't to go viral. It wasn't to get a bunch of followers or subscribers. It wasn't to build my email list. It was to make sales. And again, this is where I think so many women especially go wrong when they come online wanting to start making money, is they get caught up in everything else, right? They focus on the creative side of social media marketing or the creative side of making money online. They get caught up in all of the aesthetics and they forget that the main objective is to start making money. So much like the very first sale that I made on day number 3 when I came online, I understood that it was my job to create the least amount of resistance around making sales. And I want to give you some hope here, because that year that I hit 6 figures for the very, very first time, I never had a viral video. I was not a viral channel. I wasn't a guru in the sense of, gurus as you look at major influencers. I wasn't an influencer. I wasn't a huge name. I literally was just someone that showed up every single day wanting to help other people that I knew needed or were out there searching for the opportunity that I was offering. My opportunity was a money-making opportunity, and I was looking to connect with other people that wanted to make money. I talked about making money. I talked about the kind of results that I was experiencing, and I talked about where I was looking to continue to take that business, right, to help me in my own financial goals. So on day number 3, when I first came online and I made that very first sale, again, I had nothing, I knew nothing, and I was brand new to the landscape. But remember what I said earlier, I had a made up mind that I was going to do this. It didn't matter what I had to learn, what I had to overcome. It didn't matter what obstacles came my way, right? I was about it. I was going to make this my new way of life. And I kept things very, very simple in my very first 30 days online. And that was to get out there and to start making money with what I had to sell. So the first year that I hit 6 figures, it was literally no different. I believed in one income stream that I was willing to talk about every single day. And I had a very simple plan that I followed that was 110% about activating more people and making more sales for myself. And what I loved so much about that year is, remember, every sale was $1,000 in my pocket. So of course that gets you very, very motivated to do the one thing that you've got to do every single day to get your business or your offer in front of other people, because one yes creates a $1,000 day for you. So I just think that you've got to be really, really motivated. You've got to be really, really inspired. You've got to be really, really empowered by what it is that you're doing, because remember what I said earlier, it's you and it's only you that's responsible, right, for the outcome that you're trying to produce for yourself. This is why I think that you should absolutely be in love with what it is that you're doing, because it just makes your daily doing a heck of a lot easier. So if you clicked on this video because you were drawn to the idea of making $100,000 or 6 figures in less than 12 months for yourself, I just want to leave you with this. First off, you don't need a big, grandiose business idea. You do not need to reinvent the wheel. You don't need to bring something fresh and new and innovative to the marketplace. You don't have to labor over an idea for 6 months to a year. You simply need one income stream and a way to start generating income. And believe it or not, you can do that in as little as 30 days. Let me tell you how I'm positioned to help you. So the way that I make money, if you haven't already gathered from this video, is through affiliate marketing. It's the way that I was introduced to making money online over 18 years ago. And after trying a lot of different things over the years and making money in a lot of different things over the years, everything always led me back to affiliate marketing, because for me, the kind of money I like to make and the kind of time I like to exchange, it just works out really, really well. I love that I don't have to create products. I don't have to create offers, that I can sell things that I really believe in, and I'm able to earn really, really good commissions every single time I make a recommendation to someone that's looking for the product or service, right, that I'm offering. And so one of my bigger income streams is with the community. It's a make money community. It's an online income community where we give you access to 20 different income streams. Why I love this so much, like literally 10 toes in when it comes to this, is because not everybody wants to do affiliate marketing. Not everybody wants to sell. Not everybody wants to be on video or to show their face or to build a brand or to go live. And there are a lot of people that just want to learn how they can literally make money from home or from anywhere. And so within our community, right, we help you get that one income stream set up within just a couple of days, right? And we show you how to go out there and how to activate a daily plan so that you can start making money within your first 30 days, and then how to settle in and how to keep that income stream growing. And if you want to stack on more income streams as you get that income stream going, then you have 20 income streams that you can actually choose from. So when you come in, you're going to take a very simple 5-question quiz. And that quiz is then going to tell you what income stream makes the most sense for you. Like what income stream matches your energy, your vibe, and the way that you want to make money. And then your only job is to go directly to that particular module, learn the income stream, get the income stream set up, and then to start making money with that chosen income stream. So as I said earlier, you don't need a big, grandiose business idea with all of these moving parts, right? You need a solid income stream and a plan to follow that's going to help you generate income on a very regular basis. If you can tap into that, right, then you can start making money. We have many documented success stories within our community of women that have come in and gotten their income stream set up in just a few days and have made money within their first 30 days. As I said at the beginning of this video, everything that I share is informational and educational purposes only. It is entirely up to you what you decide to do with the information. Are you going to work for what it is that you want? So write these 3 steps down in closing. Number 1, set your goal. Number 2, pick your income stream. You only need one. And then number 3, know what your daily focus is to generate income. And then just repeat and refine. If you would love my help in getting started, I'll leave the link down below in the description to learn more about the community that I am a part of. If you love what it is that I do, it's called affiliate marketing. And when you come into our community, it is one of the income streams that you too can tap into. We position you to earn $507 every single time you help another person come into our community that wants to learn how they can start earning online. Again, our community equips you with 20 different ways to make money online. Some of those ways are faceless and some of those ways don't involve selling. So again, I'll drop the link down below in the description. I look so forward to seeing you in my next video, and I hope to see you inside of the community.